Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Beats Solo 4 and I'm going to show you how can I easily connect them with your PlayStation 5 by cable. So at first we have to bring our PlayStation controller to ourselves and then prepare a micro jack 3.5mm, as you can see, and now we have to plug this cable into our controller over there. It should look like that. Now we have to bring our headphones just like that, and then as you can see here is a jack port. We have to insert this cable straight into this port. And literally that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.